MainTool, stage is yours.
Thank you. All right, hello everyone. So these are today's smartwatches, right? But what happened to these? What happened to the beautiful classic wristwatches that everyone loves to wear? Well, I'll show you what happened. Yeah. Okay. So this is from a study from an article on November 19th in Bloomberg. It shows from the federal Swiss watch industry. And the title of the article was "The Apple Watch Effect, Swiss Watchmakers Experience Biggest Sales Drop in 6 Years." Now, we've had some reactions from the Swiss watch industry of some watchmakers that are announcing smartwatches. But at MainTool, we try to think a little step beyond that. We started asking ourselves, well, instead of reinventing the wheel, instead of building the next smartwatch, how about we found a way to add the same features that all wearables have to any regular watch? How about we found a way to make any watch smart? And so in order to solve this problem, well, we started thinking, what's in common with every watch, right? Every watch has a dial, but they have different mechanics, different movements, right? But every watch also has a strap, right? So what if we put all the same sensors, all the same electronics that all these great wearable tech have inside a classic wristwatch strap that could be out of leather, that could be out of rubber, and that could be fitted with any kind of regular watch? And so, in fact, that's what we've made. I'm wearing one on my wrist right now with my regular watch. I have one in my pocket right here that I can show you. It measures heart rate. It measures skin temperature, temperature of your surroundings. There's no screen as you see. It's completely discrete. It communicates to your mobile phone via Bluetooth. It can alert you through discrete vibrations if you get a mobile notification. There's a button to dismiss any notifications or to trigger any emergency alerts. And of course, it can also count footsteps and calculate calories burnt. But most of all, it can be fitted with any regular watch. And so we're selling this to watch companies. We are a purely B2B solution that we're offering them on a silver platter with a smart watch strap and a personalized app to every individual watch company and also independent retailers that they can offer with their watches. So in terms of market size, I don't think I really need to go through this, but I mean, there are 15 million smartwatches worn last year, 500 million watches worn last year. So I mean, if you just do the division, that's 3% of smartwatches on the overall watch market, which gives us a market opportunity of 97%. In terms of competitors, if there's anyone that can actually show you a product, you'll notice that either they're not flexible or they don't have any health monitoring features. And what really differentiates us from them is that we've concealed all the technology in the part of the strap that's underneath the watch face. This keeps the classic flexibility of a regular strap, and this also allows for the longer battery life because we have a battery on each side. We have a patent pending on this idea. All right, so in terms of traction, briefly, so we demoed to executives of over 20 brands this summer, Swiss and watch brands, with 95% positive feedback. Everyone we met was on a cold email. So we're already talking with most of the big groups, Swatch Group, LVMH, Richemont. One Swiss brand, just to give you an idea, has given us an initial base order of 45 to 70,000 units and an annual base order of 300. So we've raised 300K. We're on the version 4 of our prototype. We have 3 patents pending. We've won a few awards. We're working with the biggest and best leather watch strap producers, Modelato, Mestel. So this one was made with Modelato. And we're looking for 1.2 million at the moment. Again, this is our team. So we're MainTool, and we make any watch smart. Thank you, and welcome to the future of wearable technology, everyday wearables.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Okay, who wants one of those? This is the great test, man. Okay, questions? Judges, questions? This is either a very bad sign or a very good one.
Hi. My biggest concern about this is
Right.
I've seen many companies trying to do that, and the problem, there are a couple of problems, but one of them is, to be very honest with you, they just don't work. Have you tried your product? Do you have a proof of concept?
Sure.
Do you have any sales?
I'm wearing one right now.
Okay.
I can show you afterwards it working if you'd like a demo.
Okay. And can you scale? Are you able to produce thousands of them that work?
Right, so at the moment we're at pre-production. So
Okay.
I skipped through that last slide really quickly because I was running out of time. So we're hopefully making 100 of them. We've partnered with the biggest leather watch strap producer, Morolato, like I said, and Mestel for rubber. And so we're hoping to launch production second quarter of next year. But indeed, the integration has been a big challenge. That's why we've done 4 versions of our prototype, and we're hoping that the 5th version is going to be indeed perfect. In fact, we're quite confident that we're ready for pre-production right now.
Thank you.
I love Tara's always like, I'm going to make a question. Oh, no, he just answered it. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so battery life, and how do you charge it?
Okay, so I don't know where the sample is showing you. Okay, so because there's no screen, right, you have 2 batteries on either side, same battery as the Pebble, right? If you don't use the heart rate sensor, it will last you up to 20 days. If you do use the heart rate sensor, let's say you run once a day for an hour, it will still last you through the week. The version I'm wearing on my wrist is charged through micro USB. The version you had that I passed on earlier is magnetic charging. We have a special magnetic charging system. We've done it with a Taiwanese manufacturer.
Waterproofing?
Yeah.
How about waterproofing?
Right, so waterproofing. Okay, so that's why that's part of the reason we have to do a version 5. Our version 4 currently has a chemical varnish that covers it that will like resist to sweat or like rain. But for if you want to like actually swim with it, at version 5 we're have a patent pending concept on an ethyl vinyl sleeve that covers the whole circuit. That will be then before it's integrated inside the leather, it will be covered in the sleeve, and we should be able to get up to IP67, which is the same as Apple Watch or Fitbit or other wearable tech.
Okay, I want this stuff for Christmas. Thank God you're in Madrid, so I can actually plunder you at some
Thank you
point.
so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, judges.